when we are having hair, we look more stylish, we look more confident. When we are attending the meeting and the call, you feel when you look good, you can carry yourself in a pretty good way. Definitely, we feel more confident. It's long back, around 7 years back. I started losing hair, and slowly it became. I got a crown. It's like a patch on the head.
M159 for the client is because he wanted something a little more durable. So we had the Poly 360 with the lace center for a little bit more breathability. The only thing with the M159 systems is with the Poly 360, you tend to see a little bit more of like the plastic at the front. So what I did was when I tried to style his hair, I tried to camouflage the hairline by kind of tucking it under and over to make it look a little more natural. I used Ultra Hold tape and Ultra Hold liquid as the attachments because I found that Ultra Hold holds pretty well and Ultra Hold liquid holds pretty well and Ultra Hold tapes hold pretty well, whereas when they break down, they don't get as gummy as say like an Extendabond or Geo. And he wanted something a little more semi-permanent where it would last him a little longer in between maintenance services. The client originally wanted a style that was brushed over to the side from left to the right, but he didn't really care for it to be going upwards. So we initially just cut the hair a little longer so he can actually have the swoop at the front and have it parted sideways.
Yeah, today I feel more confident and quite excited to see the reactions of others.